If you're like me, flashlights are one of the things that you need the most in an emergency that always let you down. Well, I'd like to introduce you to the HaloXT. Now, the HaloXT looks like a pretty basic flashlight at first glance, but I assure you, this is no ordinary flashlight. First of all, you've got a super bright LED on the front. Now, you're not going to want to point this in people's or pets' eyes because it's really that bright. It's got 3 modes: high, low, and strobe. The HaloXT is also great as a signaling device. As I said, you've got a strobe here, and if you hold down the button for just a couple of seconds, you can switch to work light mode, which also has 3 settings. You've also got a distress signal mode here. This is great for boaters, especially in a car, or if you're lost while you're out hiking. Another thing that sets the HaloXT apart from other flashlights is that it's got a solar panel built right into it, so you never have to worry about fresh batteries. Set it on the dash of your car, put it in a windowsill, and make sure it's always charged. It's also got a lithium-ion battery built right into it. That means you're never going to have to buy batteries for this thing ever. Even better than that, you can also use it as a power bank. Simply unscrew the cap here on the end and charge any USB device. That means GPS systems, tablets, even your cell phone. Pretty handy in an emergency. Now, another thing that makes the HaloXT great is its special safety features, which makes it a great companion for your car. It's got a hardened steel glass breaking hammer here, so if you're ever trapped in your car, need to get out and can't get the door open, you can smash right through it with this thing here. Also, if your seatbelt is stuck, it's got a super sharp hardened steel cutter right here that is made specifically to cut through seatbelts. You get into a bad situation and you need to get that seatbelt off, this is going to slice through it like a hot knife through butter. Now, another item that makes the HaloXT great is the compass that's built right into the cap here on the end. That means if you're out hiking, camping, or heck, even driving around and you get lost, this is always going to put you right back in the direction you need to be, and fast.